Hello, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily source for all things cryptocurrency. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. Valkyrie, a prominent investment firm, has recently submitted an application for a Bitcoin Spot Exchange Traded Fund (ETF), alongside its existing futures and miners ETFs. In this video, we'll delve into the details of Valkyrie's move and explore what it means for the crypto market as a whole. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Before we dive into the latest development, let's quickly recap Valkyrie's existing ETF offerings. Valkyrie has already established a strong presence in the cryptocurrency market with its Bitcoin Futures ETF, which was launched earlier this year. This ETF allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin through regulated futures contracts. Let's now delve into the details of Valkyrie's Bitcoin Spot ETF application. Valkyrie, a well-known investment firm in the cryptocurrency space, has taken a significant step by submitting this application. The concept of a Bitcoin Spot ETF is an exciting development that could have far-reaching implications for the crypto market. A Bitcoin Spot ETF differs from the existing futures ETF in that it allows investors to directly own and trade Bitcoin, similar to traditional ETFs in the stock market. This means that investors can gain exposure to the price movements and potential value appreciation of Bitcoin without having to go through the complexities of purchasing and storing the cryptocurrency themselves. One of the main advantages of a Bitcoin Spot ETF is the increased accessibility it offers to a broader range of investors, especially those who are new to the crypto world. By providing a familiar and regulated investment vehicle, a spot ETF eliminates the technical barriers and uncertainties associated with acquiring and safeguarding actual Bitcoin. This could attract a wider audience of retail investors who have been hesitant to enter the crypto market due to its perceived complexities. A Bitcoin Spot ETF has the potential to open the floodgates for institutional investors. Many institutional players have been eagerly awaiting a regulated and secure means to gain exposure to Bitcoin. By offering an ETF backed by spot Bitcoin holdings, Valkyrie provides the necessary infrastructure and oversight to satisfy institutional requirements. This could pave the way for increased institutional participation and, consequently, greater liquidity in the crypto market. However, it's important to note that obtaining regulatory approval for a Bitcoin Spot ETF is not without its challenges. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been cautious in granting approval for cryptocurrency-related ETFs due to concerns surrounding market manipulation and investor protection. If Valkyrie's Bitcoin Spot ETF application is successful and receives regulatory approval, it could have a profound impact on the crypto market. The availability of an ETF directly tied to Bitcoin would likely attract a significant amount of new capital from both retail and institutional investors. This increased influx of investment could fuel further growth in the market, increase liquidity, and contribute to the mainstream adoption of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now, let's explore the advantages of a Bitcoin Spot ETF and why it holds immense potential for both retail and institutional investors. First and foremost, a Bitcoin Spot ETF offers a more straightforward and familiar investment vehicle for individuals who are new to the crypto space. For many potential investors, the process of purchasing and securely storing actual Bitcoin can be daunting and confusing. By providing a regulated and standardized investment option, a spot ETF eliminates the technical complexities and uncertainties associated with owning and managing cryptocurrencies. Secondly, the introduction of a Bitcoin Spot ETF could greatly appeal to institutional investors. These large-scale investors, such as hedge funds, asset managers, and pension funds, often have strict regulatory requirements and risk management policies. An ETF backed by spot Bitcoin holdings would provide the necessary regulatory oversight and infrastructure that institutional investors demand. A Bitcoin Spot ETF holds the promise of bringing more stability to the crypto market. The inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies has been a deterrent for some investors. However, with the introduction of a regulated ETF, the market could experience a greater level of stability due to increased oversight and risk management measures. This enhanced stability could attract risk-averse investors who are hesitant to enter the market without the security and oversight provided by a regulated investment product. A Bitcoin Spot ETF has the potential to bridge the gap between the traditional financial world and the crypto ecosystem. The integration of cryptocurrencies into the existing financial infrastructure has been a gradual process, but the introduction of a spot ETF would mark a significant step forward. While the prospect of a Bitcoin Spot ETF is undoubtedly exciting, it's important to acknowledge the regulatory hurdles that Valkyrie and other firms face. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been cautious when it comes to approving cryptocurrency-related ETFs due to concerns about market manipulation and investor protection. If Valkyrie's Bitcoin Spot ETF application is successful, it could have a significant impact on the crypto market. The availability of an ETF tied directly to Bitcoin could potentially attract a substantial amount of new capital from both retail and institutional investors. This increased influx of investment could fuel further growth in the market and potentially contribute to Bitcoin's mainstream adoption. Valkyrie's decision to submit an application for a Bitcoin Spot ETF alongside its existing futures and miners ETFs marks another significant milestone in the evolution of the crypto market. The potential approval of a Bitcoin Spot ETF would bring greater accessibility, liquidity, and institutional involvement to the world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll keep a close eye on the developments and keep you updated on any new information. Stay tuned to Bitcoin Dorks for more daily updates on cryptocurrency markets and important news. Thank you for watching.